Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am making vegetable chicken mince macaroni. For this here I have taken 100 grams of chicken mince, 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste, 1 small tomato finely chopped, 1 onion finely chopped, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, half teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of black pepper, salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Now here in this pan I have added 1/4 cup of oil, and in this oil I'll add onion. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And I will fry till onion is translucent. Now onion is translucent, and now I will add in this ginger garlic. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And I will saute the ginger garlic for 2 minutes. Now after sauteing ginger and garlic for 2 minutes, now I will add in this tomato. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Chicken and all the spices. Now I will cook this till chicken and tomato are tender. Now I am removing the lid. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And this chicken is cooked. And now I will mix in 1 tablespoon of hot sauce. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And here I have added 1 tablespoon of oil. And now in this oil I will add in vegetables. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I have taken half cup of carrot, half cup of capsicum, half cup of cabbage and half cup of spring onion and 1 green chili. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I will fry for 2 minutes. Now here I have taken 3 tablespoons of chili garlic sauce, 1 tablespoon of hot sauce, half teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, 1 cup of macaroni. This is boiled. Now this chicken is ready. In this I will add this macaroni. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And these fried vegetables. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. All these sauces, soya sauce, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hot sauce, chili garlic, and black pepper. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And now I will cook this covered on very low flame for 2 minutes. Now after 2 minutes I am removing the lid. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And this is done. I have turned off the flame. Vegetable chicken mince macaroni is ready to be served. I hope you like this video. See you soon in my next video, inshallah. Till then, fi amanullah, take care and Allah Hafiz.